Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out airport maps on the American Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should go to your homepage and scroll up and click on the airport maps button, which is the third option. Here you can see a bunch of options, but you can type in the name of your airport into the search maps bar at the top, and then you should type in the name of your airport and click on it, and here you will be able to find your map or your airport's map. As you can see, it's here at the top. You can zoom in and out and search for places by either typing into the search bar in the middle of the screen. You can use keywords such as coffee, lunch, restaurant, breakfast, and so on. So tap on the relevant one and they will be marked on your map with a special icon, and you can see the relevant results here below. So if you for example are looking for a Starbucks, just tap on it and here you will be able to check it out on the map, get the directions, opening hours, and all of the relevant information that you need to know about it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.